Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to fix Roblox Error Code 277. So this is a very easy tutorial. One of the reasons why I encounter this problem is that maybe there is really something wrong with Roblox today. So to see if it's okay or if Roblox status is working well, you can simply go to any web browser and then type Roblox status, something like that. Okay, and then you will see this one or server status. Okay, and then if there is really something wrong with Roblox today, probably you can see it right here. Okay, so if there is something wrong or Roblox is not working well with a specific problem, okay, so we can't do anything but to wait till a Roblox team or customer service fix this kind of error. Now, if you see that Roblox is working well, so you must proceed with the next step, and that is to restart your device. So all you have to do is to click this restart button, and then once you open your device or laptop or computer, what you're going to do is to open your Roblox again and see if the problem is fixed. Okay, go to any web browser and then open Roblox. Now, if you still encounter this problem or error code 277, you have to diagnose your connection or you need to troubleshoot your internet connection. Okay, so to do that, you can go to your internet. Okay, if you're using this one, right click, diagnose, or you can simply go back to the search icon and then type troubleshoot network. Okay, and you have to make sure that your internet is working well. Okay, because one of the reasons why this code, error code 277, happens, it's because of your internet connection, poor internet connection. So you have to diagnose or you have to troubleshoot this one. Okay, so all you have to do is to perform this and then click next, and your device will, of course, detect the problem of your internet. Then after that, you just have to run troubleshoot, and then once done, you can open a Roblox and see if it's fixed. Now, if it's not, then you have to proceed this next step, and that is to uninstall this program. So to do that, you have to go to add and remove, okay, and then kindly look for Roblox here. Okay, search for Roblox, and then click this three dots and then look for install or uninstall rather, and then tap uninstall. Now once you have uninstalled this program, you can go to Microsoft Store and then install this one again, or you can also go to Google web browser, look for that specific game, download and install, or you can go to Microsoft Store, type Roblox, and then click open. Okay, and that's it. So I do really hope that after doing any of this method, it will solve the problem error code 277. So I do really hope that this video helped you. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.